Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope everyone is having or had a great Valentine's Day. I will be using the hot water color method today to color a 613 wig. For today's experiment, I'll be using the Pink Mania and Hawaiian Fire colors by Kiss Colors TINTATION. Today I'll be using my Amazon Fashion Plus wig. It is a 613 20-inch, I believe, in body wave. Tell them I sent you guys. It is the softest 613 you've ever tried. One thing I love about the hot water color method is how easy it is. Honestly, it is just ABC 1, 2, 3. If you can pour some products into some water and mix it up, you can do this too. So I used a container that I had outside for storage, cleaned it out, put the water, add the color. It's easy. Honestly, anybody can do it. So just be careful. Be careful. I don't know why I was reaching in the water. It is boiling hot water. Don't do that. Use some tongs. I highly recommend using some tongs. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this part, it shocked me a little bit. I said, hold on, why is the water red? But when we tested it, it was pink. What I've learned from doing the hot water color method a few times is that the longer you leave the hair in the water, the darker the color comes out. So I knew that, of course, when I dipped the paper towel in the water, it was just a light pink. But I know that if I leave it in longer, as you see, an hour and 30 minutes later, it would be much darker in color, which is what we want. It looks red on camera, but just wait. At this point, I was so excited because originally I had plans to do an ombre and this color came out perfect. So now we're using my favorite cheapy conditioner from the dollar store and I'm detangling with my Denman brush, my all-time favorite brush. I prefer to air dry my wig, so after doing that on my balcony, I installed it, flat ironed it. Loved the results, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.